Welcome to Latricia Creates. I am Latricia. In today's video, we're going to create a vinyl decal using our Cricut and apply it to a mug. Let's take a look at the materials we're going to need for this project. For this project, I'm going to use Oracal 651 vinyl, some transfer tape, my green standard grip Cricut mat, my Brayer tool, a pair of scissors, a weeding tool, a scraper, a measuring tape, some alcohol, a coffee filter, my mug, something to hold the mug with. I'm going to use my Cricut Maker and the fine point blade. We also need a design. I'm going to create the design in Cricut Design Space. You ready? Let's make it. The first thing we're going to do is measure the cup. The cup is a little less than 4.5 inches. I think a 3-inch design will be great. 3 inches across and 3 inches up and down. The next thing we're going to do is head over to Cricut Design Space to create the design. I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm ready to start my design. I'm going to go to the top right, click on New Project. That's going to take us to the canvas. In the canvas, I'm going to go over to the left, click on Images, and I'm going to search for some images. The first image I'm searching for is a honey pot. I like this one here. I'm going to grab this one, add to canvas. I'm going to change the size to 3 inches in height. Move it over to the side. Go back to images. This time I'm going to look for a tea bag. I'm going to grab this one here, add to canvas. I'm going to move it to the side and I'm going to go back one more time and I'm going to look for a teacup. These are cute. This is cute too, but I want something simple that is not going to require a lot of weeding. I think I'll take this one, add to canvas. Now I have all of my images and I'm ready to work on my text. I'm going to grab a text box, go to the fonts, and search for the font that I want. I want the font called DTC Sahara Smooth. I'm going to type 3 different text boxes, 2 for Sahara Smooth, and for the third one I want to use a sans font. So I'm going to go back and search for a different font. I'm going to use this one, DTC Sweetberry. Before I put my design together, what I want to do is I want to remove the word honey out of the honey pot and I'm going to exchange it with my own name. So I'm going to go over here to the layers panel and I'm going to close the eye on honey. Grab a text box. Go back to fonts, and this time I'm going to get DTC Miss Honey. That looks pretty good. Let me center it horizontally. And I want to change the color to black. Attach. Now I'm ready to work on this part of the design. I want to distribute vertically. I'll work on that some more in a bit. I want steep and repeat. I want to left align those two. I want to bring the tea bag over, reduce the size of it. I want to flip it horizontally. Maybe make it a little smaller. And I want to top align these. I think I want to make this a little smaller. I'm going to bring drink over, reduce it in size. Bring the teacup, oops. I want to reduce it in size, but I don't want it to be that small. Right, I'm going to play around with this design a little. I'm going to left align the teacup, steep, and repeat. Reduce the size of drink. I'll right align the tea bag and drink. And I think that looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is attach all of them together. And our design is ready to go. Now we're going to go over to the top and hit Make It. On Matte, 12 by 12, confirm. Shift the design over just a little bit. Click Continue. Browse all material. I'm going to type in vinyl. Premium outdoor vinyl. Done. The blade is already in the Cricut Maker. I'm going to load the material onto the mat and get it loaded into the Cricut machine. Now I'm ready to weed the vinyl. Both of the designs are now weeded. The next thing I want to do is clean the cup, put the transfer paper on, then apply the decal to the cup. Fold the design in half. Find my invisible center line. Place the design down where I want it. I think that's good. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to flip it over. and do the same thing. I think that's crooked. It's okay. And here we have it. I'm going to see if I can find the dot for this one. Here's a closer look at the final project. I think it came out pretty nice. It was not without a few hiccups, but overall it came out pretty nice. I hope you're able to make one as well. If you do, remember that the adhesive vinyl is not dishwasher or microwave safe. Although some people put theirs in the dishwasher and they say they have no problems at all with their vinyl coming off. If you decide you want to do something like that, be sure to let your vinyl sit on your cup for a couple of days to give it an opportunity to really adhere to the mug. The adhesive needs to really adhere to the mug. Then it may be okay. I don't know. I don't put mine in the dishwasher, but try it and see if you so desire. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me from day one. If you've been here since day one or whenever you showed up in 2022, thank you for being here. And I hope you have a happy new year. And I hope you stick around for what's to come in 2023. Until next time, keep creating.